Hello everyone, today we're going to learn about the media queries and we're going to do a little challenge where we're going to have to change the background color based on a specific screen width. So we're also going to learn the difference between min width and max width. So stick around. So here min width is actually saying that any screen size, screen width starting from 319 pixels and up, apply this specific styling to the body, right? So let's say we were only having this part. So this would mean all the screen sizes starting from 319 pixels and up and more than that, like 2000 pixels, whatever, then apply this background color of light Simon to the entire body, right? And when you combine it with max, well, let's first start by defining what is max width. So max width is the actual opposite. So here we're saying anything that is 480 pixels and below that, apply the styling. So in other words, min width is saying anything from 319 and up. Max width is saying anything from 480 and below that, then apply that particular styling. So you guessed it, if we add the keyword and, right, and we add those two breakpoints, by the way, anything that is inside those parentheses is called a breakpoint. So when we add the and, we're essentially saying, okay, give me the screen sizes between 319 pixels and 480 pixels. In other words, the mobile devices width. So apply this. So in here we actually doing the same thing. However, we're targeting iPads and tablets. So anything between 481 pixels and 1200 pixels is going to have the powder blue as a background color to the body. So now we're gonna do the same, but we're gonna target laptops, right? So let's go ahead. We first need to our media and oops, my bad. So I like to put the syntax first and then write the code. So this is the starting syntax, and in here we're going to say min width of how much? 1201 pixels, and we add our and keyword. And then we add another breakpoint which says the max width this time, and it's going to be 1600 pixels, right? So anything between those, this width is going to target what? Is going to target the body, and we're going to change the background color to what? Lime green. So let's switch it to lime green, right? And we're gonna do the same here, or well, first let's see what it looks like, right? So let's see what it looks like. So here it's between it's powder blue, so this width from here to here is in between basically 481 and 1000. So let's switch, let's make it bigger. Now it switches to lime green, as you can see, right? And now let's go a little bit bigger. It's supposed to change. Well, you see, it changes the color once it reaches a certain level. So right now here we are saying, okay, let's do the same for media. Again, I'm going to do the syntax. I like to do the syntax, then write the code. And what it's essentially saying here, it says min. Why we're using min width is because, remember, min width is saying starting from this pixels width and more. So we don't have to use the and here because we're not setting a limit, right? So min width, we're going to set it to 1601 pixels. And again, we're going to target the body. And by the way, you can target anything, the H1, H2, paragraph, whatever you want. And in our case, we're going to give it a background color of sea green, right? So if we save and we go back to it, We're supposed to see sea green as of 1601, as you can see. There you go. You can even check the this website. It's a nice website. It has it shows you the width and height of the screen. And as you can see here, we have the hamburger menu at 100. It turns on at 184. But if you make it bigger just by 1 pixel, then it displays the nav bar, right? So they set it in a way that it switches to hamburger menu once it reached the that particular width. Thank you kindly for watching. Please subscribe for more and like the video if you liked it.